We'll begin on New Year's Eve. Sacramento is hit with 2 inches of rain, causing flooding and power outages to kick off 2023. Jumping to January 3rd for the first snow survey of the year. The Sierra snowpack is 177% of normal. 55.5 inches of snow is measured at Phillips Station, the most seen at this date in over 40 years. A series of atmospheric rivers ensue. Wind gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour topples trees and prise pavement in Sacramento on January 7th and 8th. It ends up raining 16 out of the first 18 days of the month.
Been here in Sacramento almost 40 years. I never see the river this high, so it's really incredible.
California started the water year with 94% of the state in drought. Now we're at 43%. February is quiet until the 24th, when cold air allows low snow in the foothills. Soft snow pellets fall in the valley, and many people find out there's another type of precipitation called graupel. 3 days later, the most intense snowstorm of the year slams the Sierra with 3 to 7 feet of snow. The National Weather Service issues a blizzard warning, which has only happened 7 times since 2008.
The blizzard warnings, you don't really think much of them, but yeah, this time around, it's a real deal.
There's more in March. A warm atmospheric river brings rain over the snowpack on the 9th and 10th, causing snowmelt below 4,000 feet, resulting in flooding. All of these storms make for a phenomenal final snow survey in April. 126.5 inches of snow, 221% of normal for the Central Sierra. It has gone down as one of the largest Sierra snowpacks ever recorded.
The staggering amount of snowpack in that part of the state and the very intense runoff conditions that we anticipate are going to create significant challenges with long duration flooding.
Then weather whiplash in May as temperatures soar to 95 degrees on the 15th. The warmth starts melting the snowpack as Shasta and Oroville reservoirs rise to 98% of total capacity. The first 100-degree day of the year is observed on the last day of June, and that propels Sacramento into the first heat wave of the year. July brings the heat with 2 more 3-day heat waves.
We try to stay cool however we can.
A 4th and final heat wave of the summer hits in August. This one is 4 days long with highs between 100 and 105.
Keeping it cool, just stay in the shade as much as we can, because it's a hot one today.
Then a once-in-a-lifetime event. Hurricane Hilary causes the first tropical storm warning in state history on the 21st. August ends with a spectacle, the super blue moon, meaning the second supermoon in a calendar month was visible on the 30th. This won't happen again until 2037. In October, a near total solar eclipse occurs on the 14th. The current water year gets a kickstart on the 22nd with downpours totaling 0.49 inches of rain in Sacramento.
It's that slushy stuff, so it's slippery out there.
It is.
Be careful on the roads. Yeah, time for the plows to get out there.
And just like that, we're back to winter. A steady snowfall on November 6 causes travel delays in the Sierra. The result of all of this? California is drought-free for the first time in 3 years. In Sacramento, I'm Chief Meteorologist Adam Epstein, Fox 40 News.